What if I told you there are AI tools that can think better than you, solve problems faster than you, analyze information better than you, and sometimes make smarter decisions than you? Sounds scary, right? Don't worry, we are going to break everything down in this video. Today, we're breaking down AI tools that can think better than humans and where they still completely fail. Let's quickly get into it. AI tools like OpenAI's models, DeepMind's AlphaFold, ChatGPT, and many more are already performing tasks better than humans. Do you know an AI can diagnose diseases faster than a doctor, write code better than a programmer, defeat world champions in strategy, and even generate art in seconds? Before we go into that, do you know what thinking is? Thinking is basically your brain's way of working with information to make sense of the world. Humans think using a living brain powered by billions of interconnected neurons, plus emotions, experiences, and a lifetime of real-world interactions. Sit back, let's talk about real AI systems and tools that are outperforming humans in specific areas. In medical aspect, we have DeepMind, AlphaFold. This tool helps to predict protein structures with extreme accuracy. It has helped to solve a biological problem that scientists struggled with for over 50 years. It also helps to speed up drug discovery research dramatically. We also have Google Health AI mammography models. This tool helps to detect breast cancer in scans. In some studies, it helps to reduce false positives and false negatives compared to radiologists. It can also analyze thousands of images quickly. Still on the medical aspect, we also have IBM Watson Health. This is used in oncology decision support. It analyzes medical literature and patient data rapidly. It also assists doctors with treatment recommendations. There is also an AI that diagnoses eye disease without a specialist. This is an FDA-approved system developed by IDX Technologies called IDXDR. It detects diabetic retinopathy, an eye disease caused by diabetes. With this tool, a retinal image is uploaded. The AI analyzes tiny blood vessel patterns. It gives a result almost instantly. The AI was trained on thousands of eye scans. It learned what disease patterns look like versus healthy patterns. So it acts like a super-trained pattern detector. It recognizes statistical differences. Now let's move to the coding aspect. Do you know we also have AI tools that can write code faster and better than programmers? For example, GitHub Copilot. This tool auto-completes entire functions, suggests optimized solutions, and speeds up development significantly. Another example is the common ChatGPT. This tool writes a full program for programmers and some software developers. It can debug codes that contains any bug. It can also explain algorithms step by step. We also have Claude AI. It is very strong at long-form structured coding and also handles complex reasoning in larger code bases. There are AI that analyzes data better than humans. Palantir Technologies uses AI for large-scale data analysis, used in defense, finance, and health sectors. Wolfram Alpha solves complex mathematical problems instantly, handles advanced data queries. There is also AI in self-driving cars. Example, Tesla, Autopilot. Tesla uses AI to detect pedestrians, recognize traffic lights, predict vehicle movement, and make driving decisions in real time. This is how it works. The car cameras capture images. AI analyzes millions of driving examples it was trained on. It predicts what to do next, either to pull the brake, turn, or slow down. It calculates probabilities. We have AI in finance and fraud detection also, for example. PayPal uses AI to detect fraud. When you send money, AI checks transaction patterns. It compares behavior to past activity. If there is any unusual transaction, it flags the transaction instantly. This AI can analyze thousands of transactions per second. No human team can do that speed. AI in recommendation systems. Example, Netflix AI studies what you watch, how long you watch, what you skip, and when you stop watching. Then it uses those data and patterns to predict what you're likely to enjoy next. It doesn't know your personality. It predicts based on behavioral patterns. Same with Amazon and YouTube AI in manufacturing and quality control. Factories now use AI vision systems to detect product defects, spot tiny cracks, and monitor assembly lines. Example companies like Siemens use AI-powered automation systems. The AI camera scans products pixel by pixel. If something is 0.1 millimeter off, it flags it instantly. The workers in the company might miss it, but AI won't. AI in law and document analysis. Law firms use AI to scan thousands of contracts, identify risky clauses, and highlight legal inconsistencies. What takes lawyers weeks, AI does in hours. AI in weather prediction. Weather forecasting now uses AI models to predict storms, track hurricanes, and analyze climate patterns. Companies like IBM use AI-enhanced forecasting systems. AI processes massive climate data sets that humans can't manually analyze. It is more accurate and doesn't consume a lot of time. AI in gaming and virtual worlds example. OpenAI 5. This tool defeated professional Dota 2 players. AI predicts opponent behavior and next step, calculates strategic outcomes, and learns through reinforcement. From what we've discussed so far, we learned that AI can diagnose diseases faster than doctors. AI is now driving cars, detecting fraud, predicting weather, reviewing contracts, recommending your next Netflix show, and even discovering new scientific strategies. But here's the uncomfortable truth. The same systems that make AI powerful are the same systems that make it dangerous. Let's quickly talk about the hidden problem behind these AI tools. 1. The bias problem. Here's something even more concerning. AI only knows what it has been trained on. If medical data is biased, a diagnosis may be biased. If hiring data is biased, hiring decisions repeat bias too. The illusion of intelligence. AI looks intelligent. It sounds intelligent. It sometimes outperforms humans, but it does not understand anything. AI doesn't think, it only predicts patterns. 3. The confidence problem, hallucination. AI can be wrong, and the scary part, it sounds confident while being wrong. 4. The over-reliance problem. As AI gets better, humans may get lazier. Programmers now rely too much on co-pilot, students relying too much on AI writing tools, professionals trusting outputs blindly. AI doesn't dream, it doesn't feel, it doesn't question its own existence. Rather, it calculates, and that changes everything. AI is not the end of human intelligence, it is the amplification of it. The real danger isn't that AI will replace us. The real danger is that we will stop thinking for ourselves, because the future doesn't belong to machines. It belongs to humans who understand how to use them. Will you learn to master AI or be replaced by someone who does? If this video changed how you see AI, drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think AI will empower humanity or weaken it? Let's have a real conversation. And if you want more deep cinematic breakdowns of AI and technology explained, simply subscribe to AI Tech Lab, because the next wave of intelligence is already here.